What's going on, guys? So what I'm about to show you is the new rank tracker feature that I've been building. It's currently in beta, but it is included in all of the clicks.so plans. So that means that for $24.99 a month, you also get a rank tracker included in your all-in-one SEO tool. It's crazy if you ask me. It definitely has to be the best bang for your buck SEO tool out there. Anyway, let me show you guys how this works. We're gonna hit add keywords here, and we're gonna have how many credits we have available, how often our keywords are updating. But if we add some keywords here, so I'm interested in affordable SEO tools. I believe I'm ranking for that. I'm going to add in one of my brand keywords, so just clicks.so, and then a keyword that I'm not ranking for is something like France. So we can add these in bulk, or we can do one at a time, whatever we'd like. Now, the target domain, we can either add a full domain or a specific URL. If I add a domain, it's going to find any URL connected to subdomains, subdirectories, anything. Honestly, it will find any URL connected to your domain that might be ranking for those keywords. And then otherwise, if you type in a specific URL, it'll just give you all the details for that URL. So I'll just type in clicks.so. For country and language, I'm good for now, and device is also good. Now, I am going to be adding a city option here as well with different postal codes as well. It's going to be great for local SEO. For now, it's breaking the whole site because there's over 200,000 locations. So for this beta, we're just going to have country and language. Now I'm going to hit add keywords. And as we're going to see, Clicks is now fetching all the data. This is probably going to take 10, 15 seconds. So I'm going to talk you guys through this while this happens as a proof of concept that it's going to work. There it is. First one coming in. So clicks.so, I'm ranking first. Thank God. I'm not getting a parasite SEO on my own keyword, which is good. And these should be coming in now. So I'm not ranking for France, which is good. And affordable SEO tools, I'm ranking with my blog post. So great, that all happened really quickly. So the coolest thing about all of this is the fact that we can then also see some extra details for the specific URLs that are ranking for those keywords. So got to fix the front end here, but we have all the details that we just saw up there, when our keyword is next updating. So updates every 48 hours, depending on your plan. More details for ClickSpan customers in the description. I have my current ranking positions, and then I'm going to have my ranking history. Now, this is where things get really interesting, because what we can do is we can add all the different keywords that we'd like to rank for, or that we're already ranking for. And over time, we're going to be able to get a bunch of data that's going to show us the fluctuation of how we're doing, how our rankings are doing based on the different changes that we're making to our pages. So we're going to know exactly what's working and what isn't right away. So let me show you guys another account here, an account that has been gathering some more data. So here's an example, keyword parasite SEO for the domain parasiteseo.com, new website built by Charles and James. And I've been tracking this for a week just to see how they're doing. They're on the front page, but they've been going up and down, and it makes sense. This is a pretty competitive keyword, a lot of fluctuations there, but you can see how they're going up and down. Super interesting to see how that is looking. And there's another really cool thing that happens with the clicks.so rank tracker, which is that here's a brand keyword, IKEA, for the ikea.com domain. So what Clicks has done is they have found the 4 URLs that are ranking right now for those brand terms. And the interesting thing here is we can play with all the different ranking URLs that have been ranking for this keyword. So for example, if I don't want to see any of the URLs that have stores in them, for example, I just want like the main route here for the US side of things on the IKEA website, then I can just select that. And then I can hover over and see how it's been ranking. Clearly, number 1, really solid down here. And interesting to see how some pop in and others pop out of the ranking, as we can see right here. So that's basically it, guys. It's in beta, so there's a lot more things coming. If you are a paying Clicks customer and you have feedback, there's going to be a link here for a forum where you can let me know if you like this, if you don't like this, if you want to make changes, anything at all, just let me know. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.